What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back with another video, and today we're looking at the Ultenic T10 robot vacuum mop. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you could be notified of next videos to come, of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that like button as well so you can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. First thing we get is some literature and also some cleaning brush right here, and some mopping pad right there as well. A little robot vacuum right there, mopping attachment, filter, extra filter there, and a couple of AAA batteries, extra brush, power adapter, comes with the remote as well. It also comes with the base station right here where everything, pretty much all the dirt goes in here. Then it also comes with extra filters and extra bag after your base is full. So this is the vacuum right here, little LiDAR sensor up there. Over here it comes with two buttons, the power and the home button, and also indicator light right there. It has the front bump part right here as well, so it'll detect if there's a wall in the way, and also at the front of there it has a front sensor as well. The back, it comes with the basins right here. So this is the water tank and also the dust bin. This is where you would fill up the water right there. On top here is a little clip where you can change out the filter and also clean out this area as well. Down here is the mop, which you can also take off by releasing the two clips on the side. So if you are using this on carpet, then you don't need this mop part. Putting it back is real easy. Just need to put it behind here, clip it on like so, and then if you want to put on the mop, you can also put that right below here, and then it'll just clip on. There it is. This is what the base looks like. On the top, it opens up like so, and it comes with a bag where you can change the bag by just lifting this up right here and lifting this part so that the dust does not come in. So if you want to install it, you just have to click this down and put it like so, and then close this down and you're good to go. The front here is where the vacuum will go home and it'll get charged as well here. And then this part right here is what sucks in all the dirt from the vacuum. On the back is the power adapter, which you can release. The power adapter there, it's not fixed or anything, so you could take it off like so. And then the back here has a little opening so you could clear out the filter as well. You know, after a while it gets very dirty in there and you can wash that off and put it back. The bottom of the vacuum is the exact same thing. You would just unclip this, lift this up right here. You could take off the brush really easily and clean this off, wash it off. Make sure that everything is dry before you put it back though. Once you're all done, really easy, just put it back like so. Clip this in first and then put it down. That's it. The wheels are also really high so that it'll go over mats and whatnot. This part right here as well is replaceable. I know it has a screw there, but you can just unscrew that. Also comes with an extra brush wheel as well in the front here, and that's it. The app we're using today is the Ultenic. Make sure to register, and we're gonna add the device. We're able to add the device right here by just adding it up here. Plus button T10. Then you're gonna connect it to Wi-Fi. Make sure that it's 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Once you've done all that, now it'll be on your home screen right here. You can click it right here, and now you'll be able to control it. So here there's a few options on the bottom. There's the auto, mop, room, and then zone, and then spot as well. As you could see, most of the time we'll just be using auto and just hit start. There's a few options as well for this. For example, as you could see here, it starts to map out the area. You can add no-go zones to wherever you want by clicking this map. Add no-go zones, add rooms, zones, and or you can reset it as well. Over here you can change the suction to no suction, just mop only, eco, standard, or max. As you can see, the vacuum will beep when you're changing the settings, making sure that it actually works. There's the level 2 and then the level 4 as well for water flow. I usually just put it on level 1, especially if you're cleaning it every other day. As you could see, even with the mat, it's able to go up it, no problem at all. Up here, there's a few options as well. Like you can schedule the cleaning. There's the cleaning records if you want to check out when it actually cleaned. Do not disturb mode so it won't make any noise. There's the self empty settings where you can change it to clean every time it runs, or maybe 2 runs or 3 runs, or not auto empty at all. There's the remote as well where you can control your vacuum at the same time. Let's try it out. As you could see, it'll start to move the vacuum right there. You can control it by doing that at the front. Boom. So it becomes like your RC little vacuum, which is really cool. Then if you want to bring it home, you just hit home and it'll go home. There's also the voice and volume. Change the volume right here, and then you could change it to whatever language you want it. You can also hit find robot and it'll make a noise. As you can see there, pretty nice. You can also turn off the light indicator there, that part right there. If you don't want the light, change the meter, square meters or the square feet there. There's the consumable record, which is really good to know if you need to clean your filter, side brush, main brush, and sensors. For the settings right here is where you can share your devices to multiple devices, and then the smart voice where you can connect it to Google Home or Amazon Alexa. Pretty cool. Now let's go ahead and start cleaning. Now if we look at the app here, what it's doing is the lines now, as you could see there. It did the perimeter first. Now it's going back to the areas that it missed. Now for example, you don't want to use your phone. It comes with the remote as well, and you could do the exact same things, maybe simpler. It just has the home button right there, controlling the vacuum right here, play and pause to clean the house, and then you could change the settings as well right there. So as you can see here, it's doing a better job now of mapping the whole area. Again, it's doing the perimeter now. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice in a brand new Ultenic T10 robot vacuum mop. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell as well so you can be notified on next videos to come, just like these ones. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.